I'd say I used to be pretty emotional when I was a young boy. I was there in the classroom with my heads on the table like this, and I was just looking extremely depressed because some girl didn't like me back or something. I'm honestly cringing as I say this, but that's how I used to be. I grew from that, thankfully. Anyways, it's a very relevant question nowadays if men should be stoic and emotionless or if they should be all over the place with their emotions and in touch with the emotions and everything. So I'm here to give you my take on all of this. No, the title of this video is actually not clickbait. Even though all these self-improvement people say that men should not be in touch with their emotions, I actually believe that they should be. But I think that does not mean what you think it means. Being in touch with your emotions means that you understand them and therefore you are able to control them. I think stoicism is actually being in touch with your emotions. Okay, so let me explain this with an example. Let's say that somebody got me angry with something. I should be able to stop and understand, okay, I'm feeling angry right now. The first question is it helpful for me to be angry right now in this situation? And sometimes it might be. However, if it's not, then the next question you should ask is, why am I feeling this? And how do I stop feeling this? For example, if somebody has said something that got me angry, I can try to look from their point of view and try to understand why did they say it and what made them say it. Now that I understand this from a logical point of view, it's gonna be way easier for me to let go and not feel angry anymore. In fact, I will just naturally stop being angry when I understand the other person's point of view. So did I suppress my emotions by doing this? Like these feminists say, oh, men are suppressing their emotions and that's not healthy. Did I do that? Or did I just stop the emotion in a genuinely healthy and a productive way? This is how men should ideally deal with emotion. It's not called suppressing it, it's called actually genuinely controlling it by understanding and by using logic. So short answer is no, men should not be emotional, but also of course suppressing your emotions is not healthy, but stoicism is not suppressing your emotions. It's completely different, as I explained. And that's all I had to say for this video. If you have something to add onto this or something to argue, I would love to hear that in the comments. If you want to watch more videos like this, there is plenty on my channel, and if you want to watch one straight away, you can watch this one over here. If you're liking my content, you can consider subscribing. That will help you by giving you a lot of self-improvement information, and it will also help me to grow my channel, so it's a win-win for both of us. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.